a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to a Texan Shaves. I was getting ready to go to the store, have to do some grocery shopping, go to Sam's and possibly Costco, and I realized I hadn't shot a video all weekend. It's now Sunday, so I've been meaning to do this one, and I had this plan to shave today anyway. So what I am shaving with is Fostering Hope. Now this is not just a shave soap and splash, which I do have the wonderful splash from Adopted Acres, but there is also a razor with a stand. This is an Alpha Ecliptic, I believe is what they're using. It's in aluminum, and you'll notice there is a color theme going on. I'm sure a lot of you know what this is. And the brush I opted for, when I purchased this, there were a choice of many brushes. I picked one of the CB Brushworks. This was brush number 9. Really like the hourglass shape with like the beehive ribs and everything. And I set it with a 26 millimeter SHD from Maggart's. Got it soaking right now. So what is Fostering Hope? Fostering Hope is a collaborative effort between Alpha Shaving Works, Adopted Acres, and Opus Brushworks, and CB Brushworks, with all the proceeds going to ruforchildren.org, and Dr. Chris Beaudrab of CB Brushworks Medical Practice is matching every dollar raised, doubling the impact of your generosity if you purchase into this. And as of right now, when I'm recording this, there are 3 sets left still, guys. And you get the soap set, the razor with the stand, and your choice of brush, and there's only 3 brush choices left. So the custom safety razor is designed and precision crafted by Steve Tinter of Alpha Shaving Works. Each razor is made from aerospace grade aluminum, finished in striking blue and yellow Cerakote, symbolizing the flag of the Ukraine and the resilience of its people. Then there were custom hand-turned shaving brush, individually poured, turned, and polished by Opus Brushworks, Craig Budgeon, and CB Brushworks, Chris Beaudrab. I believe all that's left right now is just 3 of Chris Beaudrab CB Brushworks. One of them, or 2 of them, are very similar to mine, just without the ribs, and then there's one that's a really nice mortar shell looking one. It was actually the other one I was contemplating on buying. Is still up there. And then a custom shave soap and aftershave splash, Fostering Hope, created exclusively for this project by Doug and Kara Lane of Adopted Acres Soap Company. This original scent is warm, evocative, and deeply comforting. Its top notes of sunflower, hay, black plum, heart notes of black tea, warm spices, smoldering cedar, and base notes of tonka, oud, and earthy woods. And it smells incredible. So we're going to get this shave going. Now, the RU for Children, that money goes to parents with children in the Ukraine to help support PTSD and other needs that they have in their war-torn country. So it is an excellent way to give. And, have something for that, which I didn't. I mean, it was a nice project they put together to help raise money for RU for Children. But let's get this going here. Need to get my shave going so then I can head to the store. So this is kind of just a shave today. And let's load this brush up. I had to wait until I got that knot set because I chose one without a knot. You can get them with knots already set. I believe it's included in the price. I just requested mine without a knot. I'm weird. I just like setting my own knots. It's fun. Someone requested that I make a knot setting video, and I said I could do that, but I'm sure I'll get a lot of comments because I don't measure the loft and stuff like that. I just eyeball it. I know where I like my brushes, especially if it's a knot that I'm familiar with. If it's a new one, I just kind of play around with it until it looks like where I would like it as far as what kind of backbone it's going to give me and all that. But again, I don't measure the lofts. Set that off to the side. Let's get this mug out of the way. Glasses off. And the face wet. I have 2 days growth more. I don't know if you can see. I've got quite a bit of growth. Did not shave yesterday. And I believe the day before, I don't even remember if I shaved the day before, honestly. Oh, I like this handle. Great job on that, Chris. It's really nice in the hand. Oh man, this fragrance. Now this is a one and done on this fragrance as far as I know for now. So the only way to get it is to participate in this collaboration fundraiser. But it is outstanding. Everyone that was part of this collaboration, from Steve Tinter to Chris Beaudrab to Craig Budgeon, Doug and Caroline, they do so much for others in and out of the community that I had no problem helping with this fundraiser and being part of a participant in purchasing, on top of it being for an amazing cause. All right, that's good. I have not used this razor yet, so I am looking forward to it. That's another reason why I waited till now. I've been reviewing a lot of other razors, and I need to get back to the Freya review. I need to get about 3 or 4 more shades in with that one, because I've got other base plates to go through. And I'll go back to that tomorrow. And I never got an off ecliptic, but it's a nice shave already. Man, I don't know. You know, I've been around sunflowers. I've been in fields of sunflowers. I lived in Kansas for years where there were sunflowers everywhere. But I don't know if I have a recollection of what a sunflower smells like. Isn't that odd, huh? But even without having that recollection, I am loving the fragrance of this. Definitely a banger. All right. Yeah, I did a handful of things around the house yesterday. Normally I get all my shopping and laundry and everything done on Saturday, so I can just relax on Sunday, but I'm backwards this weekend. If I didn't mention it, I am using a second use Persona Gem DE blade. Alright, let's go for a second pass. Fantastic shave so far. Oh, this lather. Adopted Acres is so good. Beautiful. I'm going to add a little more water to that. Look at that. Gorgeous. So we're going to do 2 passes because I need to get going and get this shopping done. So also when I get back, I need to shoot my final review of the Ascender Skyline. I know I told you I would have that video up by Saturday, but life. I will have it up tomorrow, which is Monday. Which is weird because you're going to see this probably on Tuesday, and I'm going to be talking about something that's already happened. So, sorry. I'm pretty sure I'm going to drop this on Tuesday. Hopefully, by the time I get that video up on Monday about the Ascender Skyline, the razor will actually have dropped. He did not get it out over the weekend like he had anticipated. And unfortunately, I don't have any details to share with you. All he told me was it was going to drop Saturday, and then later in the day he said it's not going to happen, that it will be early in the week. Oh, that's fantastic. I like that razor, actually. I like that razor a lot. All right, we're going to get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. All right. Man, that was really, really fantastic shave. Oh, I did not know that set was going to be that good. Razor, brush, and the soap. Fantastic. I'm so glad I grabbed it. On top of course, I'm glad I helped out. But, man, I'm thankful to get a hold of that set, though. All right. Fostering Hope. Time for the splash. Let's prime the sprayer. There we go. Put a little in the hand. Oh, wow. That tea really comes alive in the splash, definitely. Oh, that is so good. What is that? I'm reading something else in here that's in the scent that's not in the list. That's why I'm looking at the list, because I'm trying to figure out what it is. But there's something a little brighter on top that I'm not reading. It's not the plum. It's not the sunflower. It's not the hay, which are all on the top. But there's something a lot brighter, almost citrusy there. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but man, it is so good. That tea, that black tea and the spice. Oh, and the plum. Man, I love fragrances with plum in it. All right, guys. That's all I got. Just a quick shave. I need to get out and go to the store. Find your peace and what and where you can. We'll see you next time on Texan Shaves. And hey, there's 3 left. 3 more left. Go pick up one of these sets. Let's finish it off. Let's help them out. And you will not be disappointed in this. See you next time. Bye.